but it's always a challenge.
Yeah. Well, that's interesting. I didn't know that's kind of how that was being worked. So I've had some clients who had trouble with getting the coverage, I guess, that they wanted on the roof. So maybe that, more or less that's what they were encountering. Their agent was telling them, hey, we can't give you a replacement cost in your policy, but we can do this.
Right. So, we're independent agents, so I represent multiple carriers. It's pretty rare that I can't find somebody some coverage for a house.
Sure.
100-year-old home with a 50-year-old roof, I can probably find a policy. It's not going to be a great policy, not going to have full replacement cost coverage,
Sure.
but there's coverage available, right?
Gotcha.
So that's when people say I can't get coverage, that's very, very rare. There's some company out there for some price that
Sure.
will write coverage. Typically what they're talking about is I can't get a replacement cost policy.
Gotcha.
Now the good news is if you have an older home, if the roof has been replaced, then it kind of resets.
Okay.
So if I've got around here something built in the 80s, little ranch house, whatever, but it's got a brand new roof, well, that depreciation schedule, all we have to do is provide evidence to the carrier. Here's the invoice from the roofer showing it was replaced last year. That schedule resets.
Okay.
So we go back to a full replacement cost coverage on the roof then, and it kind of starts over.
Okay.
So that's the
Good
good
to
news.
know,
The bad
yeah.
news is you got to pay for a new roof, right?
Absolutely. Somebody
Somebody does.